For me, circular economy is reusing, sharing, repairing, refurbishing, remanufacturing and recycling to create a closed-loop system with zero waste.
When we start with the mining and steel production and reuse this material forever.
We are confronted with limited natural resources and huge environmental problems. Therefore, we need to rethink our manufacturing processes according to the circular economy paradigm.
In contrast to the take-make-waste linear model, a circular economy is generative by design and aims to gradually decouple growth from the consumption of finite resources.
Is the basis for the sustainable future of manufacturing.